Thank you for expressing interest in one of our homes. My name is Scott Ulmer and I'm the CEO of Little Pink Houses of America. I wanted to just share a very short video with you to give some of the highlights of our program, some of the things that distinguish us from other companies that may do something similar, and really point out the reasons that you should be comfortable working with us. So first of all, let me just share with you what a typical client of ours looks like. Someone who can afford a mortgage and a down payment, but for a multitude of possible reasons may not be able to walk into the bank today and qualify for a traditional loan. There are millions of people across America and Canada that cannot walk into the bank today and qualify for a traditional mortgage. Ever since 2008 and the market meltdown, banks have been very stringent with their qualifying criteria, and it's very, very challenging to get a bank loan today. Reasons that you may not be able to qualify: a divorce, foreclosure, short sale, bankruptcy, just a curveball in life, sickness, loss of job. There are several reasons that people may not be able to qualify for a mortgage today. Maybe you have your ducks in a row and have good credit and money saved up, but there's just a quirky reason that the bank won't lend you the money. Very, very common today. Those are all situations and scenarios that we specialize in working with. It's what we do. We do it with excellence. We're proud of how we do our business, and ultimately we hope that we have the chance to show that to you. Let me share some of the costs involved right up front so you're clear. We do require a down payment on every house that we sell. Typically it's going to fall within 5 to 10% of the asking price of the home. Couple points regarding the down payment. You should know that all of the money you put down is credited off the purchase price 100%, dollar for dollar. So whatever you put down comes right off the purchase price, number one. Number two, it's credited towards your down payment requirements when you go to the bank, which we're going to work with you in doing so. That money also can be used for your closing costs. So I want you to be aware of what it does cost right up front and the benefits of the money that you ultimately put down. Now let me walk you through kind of the scenario going forward from here. If you love the home, you'll put an offer in, and our local partner will walk you through the very, very simple paperwork that we have to get the ball rolling. One of the things that we are very proud of is we take a lot of time with our buyers up front to make sure that they're fully educated and very much clear on the expectations that we have of them to become a successful homeowner for us. So we're going to actually take you through an underwriting process that's almost identical to Bank of America or Wells Fargo. We're all going to be looking at your tax returns. We're going to be pulling credit. We're going to be looking at your income and your bank statements and your job and all those things. Those aren't designed to scare you, because nothing that you have is going to scare us or going to be a scenario that we haven't worked with. But those facts will help us determine the best way to set you up for success. So we're actually going to have a 1-hour phone call with a mortgage specialist that we work with all over the country, and they are going to take you through the underwriting process, and they're going to give us a few really important pieces of information that come from that interview. One is exactly where you stand, the reasons that you may not be able to qualify today, and more importantly, the exact steps that you need to take to become successful with your mortgage qualifying. We actually will generate not only a custom blueprint for you, a very easy to follow roadmap to become successful with getting a mortgage with a bank, but we're also going to custom make the term of our agreement specifically based around your ability to walk into the bank and get a loan. So from this interview is going to dictate the actual time frame that we are going to work with you on. And let me be very clear, at that point, once you have expressed interest in the home, you love the home, this is a fit for you, and you'd like to move forward with putting an offer in to buy it, we very much are collaborating with you at that point. We want to set you up for success from day one. It's our mission, it's our purpose. We want to create homeowners, and we will make sure, and you will as well, that you are in a position where you can succeed with our program. So we're going to collaborate at that point and make sure that we're all very much comfortable with the terms, the time frame, and any expectations that we will have for you and from you during the term of our agreement. So you're going to have that blueprint provided to you after the interview, and ultimately we're going to work with you hand in hand through the entire term of the agreement with a lender to get you to the point where you can successfully qualify. I will tell you right up front, we have a very simple mission statement here at Little Pink Houses of America. We create homeowners. It's something we're proud of. It's our passion behind our profit. It's what drives us every day. We want to see people own homes all over the country, and we hope that we have the chance to work with you. And it's our commitment to you to be involved until the finish line, which means getting the deed in your name once you've qualified for a traditional mortgage, and as I say with a big smile, living happily ever after. And we make fun of that a little bit, but it really is true. We want to see you become a happy homeowner. So a couple other points that are important for you to know. First and foremost, we will close with a law firm. You will have all of your documents that are notarized and executed with a third-party law firm. They will handle the closing. They will handle all of the things that go with our closing, which include even a recorded interest in the title against the home, so your interest and your investment are protected. We have several other things that are important for you to know. We'll get to those once you guys have expressed interest in the home. But at the end of the day, I just want to share a couple of high points with you so you are aware of the process, what it looks like, and really hear directly from me that not only are we honored for the opportunity to show you the home, we certainly hope we have the opportunity to work with you. And if we are given that chance, I can promise you, you're going to have a great experience, and we're going to set you up for a successful transaction. Our local partner will be in touch with you soon to coordinate a showing and or to discuss the next steps if you have interest in making an offer. And I hope that we have the chance to work with you, and we hope that you become another one of our successful clients. Thank you.